Naghanap ka ba ng property na malapit sa Manila? Complete finished duplex na presyong townhouse lang? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Under Easy Home Program via bank financing, kaya mo nang magkabahay as long as may capacity ka to pay. Ang maganda dito ay naka 5% down payment lang tayo for as low as 15,000 sa monthly DP for 12 months. At ang remaining ay loanable sa bank. Hassle-free, no SIMA, no pre-evaluation, no need na ng co-borrower. Dahil ang required lang na gross monthly income ay hindi lang dapat bumaba sa magiging monthly amortization mo. Located nga lang ito sa Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. Few minutes drive nga lang ito going to Cavitex, Open Canal Road, connecting the Anghari Road, at syempre sa Cavite Laguna Expressway. Napakaganda ng actual deliverable natin dito kay Valencia Enclave. Modern design na ang duplex natin na may minimum lot size na 80 square meters. Kaya naman may provision ka for 2 carport at meron ka pang service area dito sa back. Pwede mong gawing laundry area at dirty kitchen dahil sa lawak nito. Included na din upon turnover ang ating sliding door. And for the kitchen, included